Duncan's hands. There they are.
Where's Cindy's hands?
Where are Sydney's hands? Oh, there they are. Careful. We gotta leave it in the sensory tub, guys.
There we are.
There we are. Where'd Titi's hands go? Where's Titi's hands? Where'd Titi's hands go? Oh, there it is. Thank you, Sydney.
There we are.
There we are. What do you have on you, Sydney? Are those little seeds?
You can't eat them.
Yeah, we can't eat them. It's for birdies to eat.
It's for Buddy's tree.
That's right. The birdies think these are delicious. Did you try one, Sydney? It didn't taste very good, huh?
Long one.
Do you want to try one, Duncan? Is that good, Duncan? Don't eat. No, It's for birdies. The birdies think it's tasty. That's what it's for, right? Icky, that's right. Are you going to be all right there? You have birdseed on your face.